Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Solana coin on Exodus wallet. So once you are on your Exodus wallet, you will see Solana here. You're gonna click on it, and as you can see, you can either swap it, buy it, or stake it. So if you want to go ahead and buy it with, for example, your card or Apple Pay, you want to click buy, just click on it, choose the currency. So I'm just going to choose euros. That's how much Solana you will get for that much. As you can see, there is debit card with Sardine, so you want to click on debit card. And as you can see, you can use bank transfer. With debit card, it takes only minutes, but you can transfer up to 5,000 USD, and Apple Pay also the same. So use the one which fits you the best. For example, let's use Apple Pay, and you will need to go ahead and use MoonPay. As you can see, when I change to Apple Pay, let's see how much I will get. This is how much you get Solana, 0.77 with debit card. Let's see how much. So as you can see, with debit card, you will get more. Now let's see with bank transfer. Let's go ahead and choose it. So you will get the most with bank transfer. So I suggest you to use it if you don't need Solana right now, and you will wait a few days maybe for it to be transferred. And then you just click buy, and you will be redirected to the ramp network where you will need to enter your bank account settings. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.